Answer it. Hello? Hello? Yes. Oh, wala na. Oh, call them. Call them. Oh, answer. Answer. What happened, baby? You want me help you? Want me help you? Hold on, hold on. Hold on, baby. Charles. Charles. Tata, ayaw ibigay ni Charles yung phone. Ay. Hold on. Ito na. Don't press that. Ganyan. Baliktad. Ganyan. Anak, ito na. Oh, ito na. Nagre-ring ba? Is it ringing, Charles? Ayaw niya ibigay sa akin yung phone. Amin na, baby.
Oo nga, yun yung mukha niyo. Sige, dyan ka lang. Dyan lang yung mukha mo. Tayong dalawa lang magtititigan, Charles.
Oh, amin na. Kunin ko. Charles! Anak, Mommy wants to talk to Ate Joy. Why are you shaking it? Oh, sino yan? Joy, ayaw bigay ni Charles yung phone. Hello, Charles. Hello, Charles. Hi. Hello, Charles. Oh, ayan o. Hinelo niya na. Hello? Joy, tatawag ako ulit gamit yung kay Brian.
Ano po?
Tawag ako ulit sa FaceTime gamitin ko yung phone ni Brian.
Tawag ka?
Oo. Kasi ayaw niya bigay yung phone ko eh.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Bye.